Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll help you dismantle a Mira shower head. I'm not going to be dismantling the entire Mira shower head unit, only the nozzle parts. This one is covered in lime scale and I'll give it a good clean, so eventually at the end it looks like this. But this one is actually leaking water out of the side of the shower head unit. So what we need to do is take that apart and try and find out what's going on. Just be aware as you're taking it apart, older plastic can become brittle and grommets and clips can actually snap, so make sure you've got money for a new one if needed. This is the Mira shower head here, and if you do have to buy a brand new replacement, make sure you get a Mira one because then it will all fit perfectly. Now on the old shower heads you used to get maybe a button on the side which you could push and that would dismantle it, or you'd have a screw in the middle and then you could dismantle it by unscrewing that, but there is no screw on this. In fact, there's nothing obvious at all. Now on this particular one you've got 3 different shower head nozzle types which you can select, and what you're going to need for this is just a flat bladed screwdriver. Now do be wary, if this is an older shower head the plastic can become brittle and any of the clips and grommets can easily break when you're dismantling it or putting it back together. So make sure you've got some money for a brand new one just in case. Take your flat bladed screwdriver, push it into the gap between the shower head and the actual back mechanism. Just give it a bit of a wiggle, and this is held in by some plastic grommets at the back of that shower head. So it's just a question of wiggling it about and just keep pulling it and levering it with the flat bladed screwdriver until the whole mechanism just pops out. And I will be cleaning all the lime scale off of this later on. And if it is an older shower head, the plastic parts can get brittle, and that's always a risk when you're opening it up. You can already see a problem here. We've got a little bit of plastic that's just flown off, so no idea where that's come from. And that is the only concern when you're taking things apart. You can see here that's where the clips are. And they clip onto the back of this shower unit here. It just literally just pops in. Now you can unscrew that screw in the middle and start taking it apart even more. Now I can immediately see the problem here of why we've got water spraying out the side. We've got this large rubber washer and that has actually popped out of the groove. So you may have a problem like that, so you can just remove the back of that shower unit and just pop that rubber seal back in. So I'm going to do all that and give it a really good clean. There's various ways of cleaning shower heads. The most recommended is just soaking it in white vinegar. So here we are, it's all nice and clean, and we've just got to get it back into this shower head unit here, and it just clips into those clips at the back with these two. Just line it up with the bottom handset. And then take both your hands and you're basically just squeezing it as hard as you can. Fantastic, that's already clipped back into place. Now as I mentioned earlier, if you do have to buy a replacement shower head, make sure you get another Mira one, because then it will all be compatible and fit perfectly, like this one here. Time for a quick cup of tea. While I turn into a werewolf, in the top right there's a video on all the error codes on the Mira shower, and in the top left how to check the filter on your Mira advanced shower, and in the bottom left a top tip on how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing at all.